You do not need watashi wa in every Japanese sentence. If the subject is already obvious, natural Japanese often skips it.
Nihongo EXP. Quest 8. Watashi wa.
Quest 8-1. Topic not every eye. Watashi wa sets or contrasts the topic. If everyone knows you are talking about yourself, you can often skip it.
私はアレックスです。私はアレックスです。
Quest 8-2. Use it, contrast it, or skip it. Use watashi wa when you need to set yourself as the topic. If someone asks your name, the subject is already clear. Arikusa desu is enough. Repeating watashi wa in every sentence sounds heavy. Watashi wa is useful when you introduce or contrast yourself. When the question already points to you, answer directly. Do not start every sentence with watashi wa. English often needs I. Japanese can drop the subject when the scene already makes it clear.
Mini dialogue.
Someone asks your name. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
お名前はアレックスです。
The question sets the topic. The answer can be simple. Quick check. Someone asks your name. What sounds natural?
Correct.
A. Arikusa desu. The question already points to you.
アレックスです。
Mistake clinic. Repeating watashi wa over and over can sound stiff. Mistake clinic. If every line starts with watashi wa, the Japanese feels repetitive. Skip it when the subject is clear.
アレックスです。
Battle start. 3 subject scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. Someone asks your name. What sounds natural? Answer. A. Arikusa desu. The question already sets the topic.
アレックスです。
Question 2. You want to contrast yourself with another person. Which marker can help? Answer. A. Watashi wa. It can mark you as the topic for contrast.
私は
Question 3. You already said your name. Should every next sentence start with watashi wa? Answer. B. Skip it when clear. Natural Japanese does not repeat obvious subjects.
アレックスです。
Today's rule, if the subject is clear, skip suwa. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
アレックスです。アレックスです。アレックスです。アレックスです。
Nice. You cleared Quest 8. Next quest, 英語でもいいですか? Ask before switching. Subscribe to keep leveling up.